What is up, guys? Parallaxox here, and today we're going to be playing a game called BS. Basically, you put as many cards as you can. You want to get down to 0 cards.
Liar!
People can call you out, and if they think that you're lying, and if you are lying, you get all the cards that are on the table, and if you weren't lying, then the person that accused you gets... So I'm just going to put a 5 down, even though it's not a 4. And hopefully I don't get called out. Because if I do, I'll be in trouble. 1, 5. I don't have all 4 sets.
No.
I just wait until I have close to some of the sets. And then I just call them out on it. See if they're telling the truth. I'm going to put my 2 cards down for 7.
You're a liar!
Okay, apparently I'm not, because someone called a liar. I was going to put my 2 7s down, but then, someone called them out on it, so... One 7. I'm just going to call them out, because why not?
You're a liar!
Called it. I 100% called it. There's my 2 8s. Yeah.
You're a liar!
Ooh, they think I'm a liar, but I'm not. That was the truth, bro. So, I'm guessing that this person has no 9s. So, I'm just gonna call him out on it. I called it, but why did it go? But okay, I'm gonna add a queen. That's totally a queen. Well,
Bullshit.
I was calling queens. That's nice. Let's see. Yeah, I got all the cards back. So, for example, if someone puts down a 10, which someone will have to, then I can call them out because I have all 4 of the 10s. So, I mean, yeah, it's gonna be good. Two 2s. 2 3s. Yeah, screw it. Let's BS them on this. Because I'm gonna get the
Liar!
cards anyways. Why not?
Yeah!
Oh, jeez. 10 more cards. Yay. And I still have to pick my cards. Sucks.
No.
And so, I know it's totally true. That's fun. Yay for me. So if we go around, 6 more and best will have 10, and I can call them out on it. Declared 4 6s. I don't know about that, but so Parallaxx will have 8. Minya will have 9. And then I just
You're a liar!
Called her a liar because I have all 4 10s. So I know she's lying. That's why I have all 4 10s. So when it gets down to king, I can tell if someone's lying or not. Hopefully it'll be one of the people with less amount of cards.
You're a liar!
Need to get Yuri and Minna, to be honest, because of how many cards she has. But I can't get her anymore because I got picked to be king. Yay for me. I got all 4 people. One, 2, I feel
Bullshit.
that you don't have the other 3. Yep, I called it. I just had this gut feeling that he didn't have the other 3. Come on, let me pick all 3. There we go. Now my 3 threes that I declared. I declared that I have 3 threes. 2 fours.
Bullshit.
Ooh. I'm just gonna. I have to call BS on this, or she'll win.
Bullshit.
And it was the truth, so she won. Rip in pieces. I got 3rd place. Remember.